starting with the great name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. In today's lecture, I shall be discussing about real-time operating system or real-time processing system. Real-time operating system is one of the types of operating system that is also known as embedded operating system. And in real-time operating system, the operating system is basically bound to give an immediate response to the event. So whenever there is an event, the operating system is bound to give an immediate response to that event. So there are two types of operating system, which is a soft real-time operating system and a hard real-time operating system. In soft real-time operating system, it is not necessary that a process may be executed in a proper deadline, in a given deadline. So the soft real-time operating system is basically a process that might not be executed in a given deadline, whereas in a hard real-time operating system, the process should be executed in a given deadline. So whenever the deadline is given, the process must be executed or completed in that period of time. So the examples of real-time operating system, which is first is a flight control system. Second is a robotics. Robotics and a flight control system are the classical examples of real-time operating system. Third is a traffic control system, which is also the example of real-time operating system. Radar, which is used to look after the movements of aircrafts or aeroplanes, is also an example of real-time operating system. Nuclear reactor control. So these are the examples of the real-time operating system in which the response is given immediately over an event. So that's all for today. If you like this video, share it. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. I will definitely respond there. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe it and click on the bell icon so that you can get more videos. Thank you and have a great day.